how to find all your comment history on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find all your comments you have ever posted on your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app and here click on those three lines up there to get to this page. Now click on the setting icon beside the search icon, scroll down and click on your time on Facebook. Wait for a second and they're gonna show you this list. Click on see time and now click on see activity log. Now you have to scroll down again and click on interaction, which is likes, reaction and comments and more. Click on manage interaction and they're gonna give you your like history, your comment history and all your interactions history on Facebook. I don't have nothing here because it's a new Facebook and I have nothing on this Facebook. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.